Show of hands. Who's had this happen? You call somebody and they answer, yet suddenly they're stepping into a meeting or a freaking transplant, or they're getting ready to launch to the ISS. I'm literally Elon just strapped me into Starship. I'm going to Mars. It's like, no, you're not, you liar. You're sitting at your desk watching freaking TikTok. You and I both know that. If you were stepping into a meeting, you wouldn't have said that. You wouldn't have answered the phone, okay? So I realize that, and I've been told that 11,000 times. So eventually I stopped saying, man, if I poke that, I got like 3 pokes on Chris. I can poke that bear twice. By the 3rd poke, the claws are coming out, and Chris is gonna go, I'm stepping into a meeting. Now Chris is mentally gonna compartmentalize Matt Easton and my phone number on his caller ID as a big old pain in the ass. And he's never gonna answer a call from me ever again. So I'm gonna establish a forward operating base. That sounds like this. Hey Chris, Matt Easton, founder at Easton University. You and I are connected on the Japanese business development group there on LinkedIn. Yeah, hey Matt, how's it going? Going great. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing over here at Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? Right when I say I wanted to reach out to you personally, he's like, high credibility, high credit authority, but his sniff test, his line, like if this was Mike Tyson's punch out, his power line is starting to go way up in terms of, this is a sales call, I'm starting to get pissed off. So all of this, what would be the chemical, all of this, not really adrenaline, but there's a brain chemical, cortisol. All this cortisol is starting to lift, and he's like, sales call, starting to get pissed off. So I'm gonna allow him to just exit all of that by actually exiting myself from the conversation. I'm starting a fire, and I'm putting the fire out at the exact same time by saying, can I shoot you over a link so you can take a look when you have some time? Thus allowing Chris to do what? Oh yeah, absolutely, man. I'm strapped into Starship here and I'm going to Mars, pal. I was just stepping into a meeting, right? That works for me. Now all of a sudden he's like, thank you for letting me out of this. Thank you for giving me the lie. Thank you for teeing it up so I can swing on it. No problem. What's the best email for you, Chris? It's kt@japanesebusiness.com. Perfect, I'll send you something right now. Boom. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.